Hello, we are going to teach you how to use the automatic molder. First, double click the screen, and you can see first we need to start the light. You see the light now is on.
Light is on.
And then we need to start this heating, because we need 30 minutes to preheating the material inside the extruder. You see this extruder, this whole part is extrusion part. We need 30 minutes to preheating the material. And during this preheating time, we suggest you clean here, because there are some discharging material you need to clean here, and you check the scraper and check the extruder mouth to see if it's clean. And also you need to clean each cavity to see if there is any metals or any other rubbish inside. You need to clean it with air blowing gun to clean. Yes. Okay. 可以开始。
这个自动模式在这里。
Yeah. Now this is the automation mode. Press here and also press here, and you can see this interface.
然后这里运行
and press this run, and yes, and now the machine will run automatic step by step, just like the same as our last video of manual operation model. See, now it's moving slowly, step by step. Now it's middle pressure. After middle pressure, and it will start the high pressure automatically. Now it's high pressure. You see the mold is running. It's molding with 100% molding. See, now it's discharging the cold material inside here, because this material is not good for compression molding. We need to take it out, clean it. See, at the beginning there are some caps is not 100% molded. You need to take it out. The first 2 cycles you need to take out, and after that you see the cap is coming out with normal quality. It's good quality now. Now we are going to stop it. Only press the stop, and the machine will stop it step by step automatically. See the rotary part will lower down the speed step by step, automatic. You see, just like the manual model, we noticed that the extruder mouth should be between these two scrapers. Don't make the scraper to face this extruder mouth directly, because this is hot. This will hurt, damage the scrapers. Okay, thank you.